This is a used 2008 Mazda 5. Zoom Zoom. It's powered by front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. The features include Bluetooth connectivity, digital audio input, an auxiliary input, remote start, steering wheel controls, aluminum rims, automatic climate control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, a spoiler, an alarm system. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, second and third row head airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.